welcome to the Lydia and Ethan channel. I'm Lydia and Ethan is behind the camera right now filming. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to do an at-home haircut for a African-American hair and then also a Caucasian hair. If you clicked on this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we have new videos coming out every week. Go ahead and hit it before you forget and also like the video. All right, come here, Rev. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna first wash his hair. We gotta get all the tangles out before we put clippers in it. It is the worst thing ever I've learned, to put clippers through curly hair that is tangled. It's a lot of tears. So I've learned that you need to wash his hair first before you do it. I am not a professional hair cutter, but I've got like 8 years under my belt of cutting my boy's hair. So, you know, live and learn.
Look at this glorious salon that Mom's prepared for you.
You can just sit back, you're good. Okay, so, I mean, if you're interested in a good hair product, I do like the Camille Rose shampoo and conditioner for him. He's the only one I use this on. It's meant for his hair texture, but I really like it. So, and it smells so good. So let's get going. I'm just washing it. I'm not gonna get your face wet, okay? Understand? I'm not gonna get your face wet. So just let the water fall on your hair. It's just your hair. It's not your face. There you go. We're all done washing it. It's all fluffy and
You did good, Rev.
he did good, and now we're gonna cut it. So with Rev's hair, we keep it really short simply because we've tried the longer looks so that he can have his long curls. And this kid rolls in the grass and in chicken bedding a little too much to have long hair. So we live in the country. I've pretty much decided that it's near impossible to have long hair. Long curly hair when you live in the country. So we're gonna go really short on the sides. I'm gonna use a 1, and then on the top, we're gonna stick to like a 4. And then I'm gonna line them up at the very end, and that'll be it. Stay tuned because next we're gonna cut Grayson's hair. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Like I said, I'm gonna do a 1 on the sides. I'll fade it up, and then we will leave a good amount of length on the top and line them up. Usually he acts like it's really ticklish when we do this, so he ends up kind of scrunching up on the sides. I usually have to have some bribery to keep him from doing that. So I do this with all my boys, usually to make sure I'm getting everything at the same length. I'll come at it from different angles. So instead of going just straight up the whole time, it will usually miss some just because of the curves of their head. So I will go up and then I'll go to the side. And I just bring it up about halfway, like basically right when their head starts kind of curving up this way, and then I start fading it. Okay, something else that's really helpful with African American hair is because of the curls, they can get tightly wound. I will bring a comb through it as I'm going up just to make sure everything is even in the cut. There's been times that I don't do this, and then basically he'll sleep on it, and then I'll see these like long random curls, and they were tight when I cut it, so I didn't realize they were a different length. But bringing the comb through really helps get everything up so that you get an even cut. All right, so we're to the fade part. I'm gonna keep my 1 on, but right now I've got the blade pushed all the way up to the top. So right now it's all the way to the top, so the blade is really close. If when I pull it down, the blade is lower, so you're gonna get actually more like a 1.5. So I'm gonna pull it down and I'm gonna start fading up the top. I like a tight fade, so it's gonna be pretty short on the sides, but it's gonna look real good. You're gonna look so awesome. Yeah. We're almost to the top of the fade, so I did throw a 2 on just for around this part, and then we will do the top. So he's at the end of his patience. He's ready to be done, but we are on the last step. We're gonna line him up. I'm gonna start at the back and then move to the front, and then you're all finished. Almost done. Okay. Haircuts aren't fun. You're doing good. I know, I'm good at this. All right, so haircut is done. We're just gonna put in some leave-in conditioner. Rev still has baby hair, so he's got a pretty far back hairline, but he's got like new hair coming in, so I don't like to do his fade back to where he has like the bulk of his hair starting, because it just looks like a receding hairline. And so he's 2. I would suggest that with little ones, like just don't go over the top with their fade. Keep it where their baby hairs are coming in. Don't go far back to the bulk of their hair, because it'll look silly. I've done it before. He looked like an old man for a few months. So that's my suggestion for you. So after I get this in, I'm just gonna comb out the top and you will see the finished product, and then we'll move on to Grayson.
Okay, so Lydia's about to start on Grayson's hair, and I just wanted to add my own little color commentary that I think Lydia does a better job at cutting Revy's hair than Grayson's hair. So with that said, comment below at the end of this video, who do you think Lydia did a better cut on, Revy or Grayson?
So I thought we were just gonna do a trim on Grayson because he wanted to grow it out, and I think some inspiration happened during Rev's haircut because now he's wanting it short. So we're gonna go short on the sides. He wants it spiky on top, so I'm thinking like probably a 3 or a 4 on top. I'm gonna stick with my 1 to a 1.5 to a 2 plan, and it's essentially the same haircut, just on straight hair. Do you still like that idea, or do you want me to trim it? It'll grow back fast if you wanna try it, but do you want me to just do it? Okay, let's go.
Barber's choice.
So we're gonna have a lot more coming off than Rev's. Okay, done.
Let's see it. Lift your head up. Yeah, that's
How's it doing?
Solid haircut.
Right?
That's great, Grayson.
Awesome.
That's what Daddy had. When
So yeah, like we said, comment below whose haircut you thought went better. Did I do a better job on Grayson's? Did I do a better job on Revere's? I really want to know. Just kidding, we're gonna keep going. But if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We've got lots of fun videos coming your way. So I went a little too far in on the top. We're almost to faux hawk vibes right now. Stay tuned. So Ethan was right. Maybe I do a better job on Rev's hair than Grayson's. It's just because they wiggle so much, so it ends up being a little shorter than you'd prefer. But that's today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope it encourages you and gives you bravery to do your haircuts at home. Make sure you subscribe, because in just a couple weeks, we are gonna be going on a 7-day cruise with our kids, and it is going to be absolutely insane what we vlog. So you're gonna wanna be a part of that and see it. So hit the subscribe button, like, comment what other kind of content you'd like to see. We wanna know, and we'll see you on the next vlog.
Keep smiling. Keep smiling.
Bye.
Keep smiling.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.